This makes me happy. What is up, everybody? Today's episode, we're gonna finally harvest some potatoes, I hope. I don't have high hopes. These were store-bought potatoes that grew sprouts inside, chitting, as it were. I planted them. It's been several months. I hilled them twice. We're gonna have 2 russet potatoes and 1 red potato. And we've had incredible Texas heat. Incredible, incredible, incredible. Like 114 temperatures. That's a lot. So anyway, let's get to harvesting these potatoes, and I have some other stuff that I'm gonna put in this video also. This would be number 20 for the season. Yeah, awesome. Jesus, dude. That's ridiculous. So I just harvested my first Sweet Million cherry tomato. Never had this variety before. Dang. That's definitely sweet. Like a grape flavor. Kind of like that chocolate cherry, the tomato flavor comes in towards the end. Got some thick skin on it, but still very good. What is that? Dude, that is a big moth. I thought it was a bat. Dang. Dude, where'd it go? There it is. I didn't think that. Look at that thing. That thing's huge. Yeah, man. Lots of bugs. This is a russet potato, not exactly a giant one. A little bit better one. Another one. These are all kind of tiny, but they could, so out of the green bag we got wah, wah, wah. They're all solid though. So now we're gonna dump the brown one. These actually look a little bit better, but look at. Ooh, there's the best one so far. Not all that big though. This one didn't have near the amount of bugs in it either. Anyway, I got about exactly the same out of each one of them. Wonder if that's because I used store-bought potatoes instead of seed potatoes. So I'm going to order some seed potatoes and see what the difference happens. So I have some other ones that are chitting. So we'll try that in the next video. But I still have the red potatoes to go. And they still actually have some stems on them, but I'm going to go ahead and do it. These are the red ones. Ooh, that one's mushy. Wow, look at that. Holy cow, man. 1, 2. Look at that. Look at all that. The reds did better than the... Look at that, man. These red potatoes were also done the same way by store-bought potatoes that chitted on their own. And so far they did better than the big ones did, that's for sure. Okay, it's not a bad haul for free vegetables. You got like 6 or 7 tiny russets and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, about 15 of the red potatoes. So that's pretty awesome, you know, for free. Just the cost of dirt. This is how hot it is. I watered twice yesterday. Look at that. Look how droopy that is. That's how hot it's been here. But look at this one. Talk about likes heat. Jalapenos like heat. There's your gardening tip for the day. I got about 2. I got about 6 of them on here. So let's go ahead and harvest this one. Maybe this one. And this one over here. I'm the only one that eats jalapenos here, so. But look at that, man. Got 3 more. think that's 789 on there. I've only had one Cherokee purple. I've had 35 chocolate cherries, 11 or 12 caramellos, and about 10 millionaire cherry tomatoes. So yeah, look at that. We'll be eating these potatoes for dinner later. Probably tomatoes too. I gotta cut around all that crap, but look at that. That's pretty cool. All right, so we're gonna try the russet potato that you saw earlier in the video. First time I've ever had a homegrown potato that I know of. Oh my, hot, but so good. Holy cow, dude. Gotta try one of these red guys. That was the russet. Let's try a red one. Cut that in half, let mom try one, let that cool off, and I'll get back to you. All right, so here's the red new potato. Oh my gosh. Dude, that is so flippin' good. I have mama try one. Hey, you're not on video, but I'm gonna get your reaction just vocally, what you think of that new potato. First time you've ever had a homegrown potato?
I don't know.
Probably. I don't know, you are old. No butter, no nothing. Really good,
Very
isn't it? Yeah, how is it?
Wonderful. Absolutely wonderful.
This makes me happy. Homegrown potatoes, homegrown jalapenos, and garlic deer sausage that I harvested myself. Doesn't get better than that. It makes me happy. Well, I'm not going to sustain any sustainable lifestyle on those potatoes, but I did better on the red potatoes than I thought, and I did about what I thought I would do on those russets. I do have some other chitting right now that I bought from the store, but I might try a seed potato versus a store-bought potato and see which one works. And probably try that and make a different video out of that. But thank you guys for watching. If you like what you see, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification button. It's so hot in Texas right now, I'm not putting up as many videos of the garden because it's brutally hot. And watered really heavily yesterday, and I'm looking at my cucumbers, they're just droopy as all get out. So, I don't know. This weather's making it difficult not being in ground and all the factors. So anyway, as always, garden hard.